The Brain Forum, an initiative by W Science and EPFL, proudly supported by the Tectus Group. This world-class annual event brings together leaders from the fields of brain research, technology, and healthcare. It is a unique platform where scientists, investors, foundations, and policymakers openly share their thoughts and debate challenges and solutions for the 21st century.
So, did you like it?
That's amazing. That's unbelievable. Have you been in this?
How does the brain work? A question that has puzzled scientists for centuries.
The plan that Walid set out is to build up an ideas exchange platform.
As many of you know, in China, in the US, in all the other countries of the world, dementia is going to become a completely unsustainable disorder. We can't sustain it, and we need to attack it globally.
We would like to develop innovative tools to understand how we think and learn, and undertake studies to unveil the brain disease complexities.
Recent progress in technology and engineering, in basic science, in visualization allows, in fact, to look at the brain in a different way.
When you see something like that and you have the ambition of contributing to brain health, you start to wonder, but what is it of what we eat that eventually ends up in the brain?
And you can see in this patient that, by the way, he is a young Parkinsonian patient. My colleague gives him a magnet, turns on the stimulator, and you see that the tremor disappears.
The Brain Forum has shown that success comes as a result of a common mission alignment. You also require an interdisciplinary set of individuals working together to a common outcome.
The Tectus Group is involved in construction and engineering, measuring devices, media and entertainment, and in the field of biomedical products and solutions. This interdisciplinary know-how makes the Tectus Group an ideal founding partner of the Brain Forum. The group supports startup companies that develop products aimed at improving brain health through direct investment, coaching, and supporting events such as the Brain Forum Startup Pitch Competition.
I really think this is going to greatly accelerate, taking the ideas that are being developed in universities, through to products that are going to actually be useful on the ground. We are developing hardware and software for the continuous monitoring of EEG and its rapid analysis, storage and visualization of complex biosignals, parallel processing in our cloud platforms.
MindMaze is a neurotechnology company trying to put together several technologies to help patients suffering from several neurological problems such as stroke or brain injury, trauma.
Our technology enables the fabrication of electrodes for neuromodulation that are stretchable and highly conformable, so they can deliver stimulation or record signal very efficiently.
One of the nice things that Tectus and W Investments has done for me particularly, and I know for a number of other academics, I'm a professor at Imperial College in London, and if with these ideas, if I went to a venture capitalist to raise money, I would be constrained. Your teams enable me to still innovate, and they give me that sense of entrepreneurship and drive that I wouldn't get if I had to conform too soon to a business plan.
The next challenge is to ensure that these beginning initiatives that are various countries working together leads to something like a global initiative.
And one of the things that I've learned, and maybe I've learned it in this very campus, by the way, is that interesting things in science very often happen at interfaces. And hopefully, meetings like the Brain Forum will facilitate that type of discussion.
The Tectus Group, supporting innovation globally. To find out more, visit www.thebrainforum.org and www.tectusgroup.com.